Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to do sentimental analysis of any sort of sentence in English language using uh, machine learning models and natural language processing ChatGPT library. So inside Python, we can actually do sentimental analysis of sentences, that whether a sentence is positive, negative, neutral, what is the tone of the sentence. So we have this basically this Python script here. We have a series of sentences that I have written right here. So you will see it will exactly tell you the tone of the sentence. So we have three sentences right here. I know in my heart nobody comes close to me and I am the greatest player in the world. So this is actually a positive kind of a sentence. Let me first of all show you, if I execute this Python script, what is the output that I'm getting. So first of all, you need to install this module here, which is Vader Sentimental. So the command is simple. You simply say pip install Vader Sentimental. So you simply install this module. You just need to execute this command. So this will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds and it will install this. And after that, you just need to execute this command here. And exactly it will tell you the sentimental analysis of each sentence. It will give you a score based upon the tone of the sentence. So you can see the first statement has a negative sentiment of 0% and a neutral sentiment of 65.6% and a positive sentiment of 34.4%. So overall sentiment is positive. The second statement that I have taken this example, if you see, Shweta played well in the match as usual. So this is again a positive kind of a sentiment, and it has given me the positive rating, which is 42.9%. And the third sentence is negative. As you can see, negative sentiment is 40% and neutral is 39%. And the sentence was, if you see, I am feeling sad today. So this is actually a kind of a negative kind of a sentence. So in this easy way, using this free module of Python, you can actually do the sentiment and analysis. So the module is very simple. You simply install this module, pip install Vader Sentiment. So install this. It uses machine learning models and NLTK ChatGPT library in the background. I've given all the source code in the description of the video. So now I will show you. Just create a simple Python file, and then from Vader Sentimental you just need to import Vader Sentimental, and from this you need to import Sentimental Intensity Analyzer. After that, we will define a simple function which will give the sentiment scores based upon the sentence given as an argument. So here you will basically create an object here initializing the sentiment and intensity analyzer. After that, we will basically make a dictionary based upon the sent, and it contains this function here, which is polarity underscore score. So it will give you the scores here based upon the sentence which is given. And then you can print out the scores here. So we are printing out this dictionary based upon, it contains three kind of score: negative, neutral and positive. And now we just need to call this function. So we will basically take three examples of sentences. So I will call this function inside the main function. So right here we are providing three sentences. Again, you will see, I know in my heart nobody comes close and I'm the greatest player in the world. I am feeling sad today and Shweta played well in. So if you run this script here, it is saying sid underscore object is not defined. Sid underscore object. Sid underscore. I have given all this source code in the description of the video, guys. So if you need the full source code, the link is given in the description. So now I fixed this. It's just a typo mistake, and if I refresh it, you will see that it will give you these three scores: percentages, negative sentiment, neutral, positive. The percentages, it will give you the sentiment analysis of each sentence. So in this easy way, you can use this free module inside Python to actually do the sentiment analysis of each sentence. You can basically give any sentence of English language, and based upon that, it will give you these percentages of neutral, positive, negative, like this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.